In this video, we will talk about area in the Draw Split tool. Let's enter into Boundary Edit to check out this new feature. This feature is available within all Draw Split tools. Select Draw Split. With all of our split tools, to begin a split, drop a pin outside of the boundary, create your split through the interior of your polygon, and end a split by dropping a pin outside the boundary again. Each polygon created will now be assigned its own color and show selected area. Make any changes, and those will be reflected in the color bar above. Select Complete Split to commit the changes and continue to edit your boundary. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and visit our website for more information about Sirrus and the rest of our products.